All right, everybody, welcome back to the Weekend at Scotty's YouTube channel. Very, I would say, highly requested episode here today. The last episode I did about my 29-inch BMX bike did really well. Get a lot of comments lately asking what bike I ended up buying. And you know what, the truth is, I filmed a couple videos, never got around to putting them out. And you know what, let's just get right into it. I mean, if you know the new bike I bought, super hyped on it. If you follow me on IG, it is no secret. Got a C100 in the concrete gray. Had it for a couple months now, and I absolutely fucking love this bike, man. It is so awesome. It's just been everything that I wanted when I bought it. I just wanted to get another bike to do wheelies on that I could, you know, potentially put more miles on, like a Lance Armstrong type wheelie bike. And bro, it has been everything I wanted and more. I'm so happy with it, and I'll show you some of my favorite things on it right now, and then, you know, we'll get to the wheelies. Like I said, still not very good at them, but I'll give the people what they want. First of all, you can see, I mean, it's super good looking bike. The concrete gray is awesome, just with the black. This bike is basically stock, except for obviously I put the hookworms on it. These are great tires, make the bike look awesome, beefier as well too. I put a big flyer seat. You can see I've looped the bike, all right, just once. All right, you got your little cup holder. It also dubs for a speaker holder. Oh shit. It's all right, we're still running. Are we good? We're good over there? All right, we're still good. We're rolling. This is how we're doing it. It's YouTube. But yeah, you know, when you want to get the jams going on the ride, you're ready to go. But yeah, this bike is built really, really well. You don't need to do much to it right out the box, except for one thing I'll show you. So this is a really nice bike, and it comes with a lot of high quality parts. This isn't the pro model, so you don't get the RockShox front end, which this one's still pretty solid just for, you know, doing wheelies and stuff, so no big deal. Yeah. But you got a whole Shimano Dior setup right here. So hydro brakes front and back, shifter, the derailleur's all Dior. The one thing though I definitely would suggest, unless you live in England where these bikes are from, is when you get it, have a shop switch over your brakes, okay? Because it's an English bike, your back brake is going to be on the left side and your front brake is going to be on this side. So if you're used to riding on, you know, regular 29-inch BMX bikes, which we'll get to that one in a second, it's gonna feel weird and it's gonna throw you off, and you're probably end up busting your ass and looping it like I did. And when you're, you know, 28 on a 29er, it don't feel good falling on your fucking back. So I would say definitely get the brakes switched over, and I think I'm gonna actually end up just removing this front brake altogether and clean up this whole front end. I don't really usually ever use it on this bike, except for when I did take it on one trail. So maybe I'll keep it, but I think I like the clean look where it's off. We'll just have the, you know, the cords on this side. But yeah, I mean, you don't need to do much. Shimano Dior, it's just got a cool feature right here where you can lock the derailleur. So see, when it's unlocked, the clutch, it bounces like that, and it makes it easier to switch gears and smooth. But when you lock it, it's, you know, solid. It's not going to go anywhere. And the reason why you do that, you could, you know, go off jumps and stuff and your chain won't fall off. I got used to it being not on, and then I jumped off a curb and then I scratched my bike right there and I wanted to cry. So now I basically only ride with it on, because, you know, you never know when you get to jump some shit. It's a mountain bike. Anyway, so like I've said, fucking great bike. If you get the chance to buy one, get the pro, get the regular one. You don't see a lot of them out here, especially in California. So whenever I take it to like a ride out or anywhere, people are really excited to see it. And yeah, I got some more plans for it, but I mean, the color scheme is kind of cool. Like, you don't need to do much. I'm obviously going to switch out the bars, do something a little taller, and I think that's when I'm going to remove the other brake. But other than that, I'm not going to do much. I mean, I like everything. There's no need to change up the sprockets or the brakes or anything. Solid, good to go. And like I said, I love it. I had one little issue with this bike, you know, that it was from the factory, but you know what, I talked to Collective. Their customer service was fucking top notch. Big shout outs to them. Anyone that you know, you make a big purchase like this, you want to make sure that it's with a brand, you know, big Collective, that you can that stands behind their product. And they did that, and I really you know, tip my cap to them, because you know, not everybody does that. And I'm gonna actually show you my frame 29er and all the upgrades that I've done to it. Basically took it down to the frame and back up, and I built it for my girl, so I'll show that to you right now too. So got the frame 29er here. It has come a long way from out the box from Amazon. You know, I had actually even bigger plans for this bike, but weirdly enough, all the description that the company actually gives for it is wrong. It says that the sprocket is a 30, I think, 3/2 ring when it's actually a 25. It says it has a freewheel when it actually doesn't. It's got a cog wheel. I mean, it's weird. It's the amount of wrong shit I ordered based off just their website was crazy. But you know, bike stuff isn't that expensive, but everything's pretty much new on it. Profile, blackjack sprocket, looks really good. Half link chain, some cool little plastic Odyssey pedals. This is right here, I think this is from Colt, I don't know. These cranks are pretty nice. When I remember, I'll put them SE bars, ODI grips. Some, I don't know what this company is, but yeah, looks cool. Ended up giving it to the wifey since I got this one, and I think I'm gonna get a big ripper soon, so may as well let her cruise around on it. Now I got a friend to go ride with, and let me film my terrible wheelies. So that's what we're gonna do now. And like I said, both these bikes are fucking great for the price of what it is. This one obviously more expensive, but you're gonna get a lot more with it, and I highly recommend getting one. I mean, I love it. I'd take any excuse to ride it. And fuck, dude, like I said, people are hyped on it. I got kids always riding up to me on like big rippers and shit, like trying to trade bikes and shit with me, and I'm like, nah gang, this one's mine. And yeah, let's take it for a spin. Final look at the framed. I forgot to mention, this is all profile too. It's actually a Spanish style bottom bracket. And yeah, oh, and these are Colt cranks. Yeah, I believe that's what that logo is. I threw the box away. Anyways, we're gonna try and get some wheelies on this one too, just to show you that I still got something on this one.
Ay, I keep the chopper on me, I'm heavily on. Ay, Chirac, we got gun like alright. We'll take your then when you come, we make you bad back. I just push a nail on my lip, that bad like fire rice. I just told her go pick up the pack and she gon' fly back. Big stick with a big clip, make you back. And the cool with the stick shift, they be ride fast.
Yeah, we gon' pull up with some big guns. Yeah, some people say I keep some big drums. Yeah, I like how they green, I got some green thumbs. Think I got pneumonia in my face, I see the symptoms. Yeah, big fuzzy.
All right, y'all, as you can see, both bikes, man, great platforms on the 29-inch wheelbase. I'm super excited about both of them. Like I said, built this one for wifey, and I want it back now. It's really fun to do wheelies on. It feels like you're sitting in a lawn chair compared to this thing. But yeah, I'm hyped to just keep riding both of them, making more videos for you guys. I would give this thing a, you know, fucking 10 out of 10, and this one needs a little work, you know. The stock things will kind of blow up on you after a while, but not too expensive and get you going. And I would give this one, let's see, we don't need to grade it. It's great the way it is now. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We got a lot more sick videos on the bikes coming out, going to ride outs, going on adventures this weekend even. So we'll see what we get into. See y'all next time. Weekend at Scotty's. Peace. Oh yeah, C100 frame 29er. Go get them if you can, I guess. Or yeah. Now peace.
We bought all that X. 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 Smoking till my lungs hurt. I count all this guap until my thumbs hurt. Yeah, I'm big 14, I saw my brother. Yeah, I can see your face right on this plain shirt. Yeah, I want all the love, but all this love hurt. Yeah, all these man, they butt hurt. Yeah.